put the words Min and? Okay, so for example, what fruit is this?
Apple.
Okay, can you write the spelling of apple? Do you know how to spell apple, Min and?
Yes.
Okay, you write the words here. Okay, and okay, we have apple. Okay, and apple start with letter. Okay.
A.
Okay, apple start with letter A. And what do you think, Min An, is the next one? Okay, the next letter of A is okay, what
B.
B? Okay, which one here, Min An, that start with letter B? Here. We have this one.
Banana.
Banana, okay? You write banana here. Okay, what else? Okay, how about this one here, Min An? Do you know what's the other B here? Okay, let's start with letter B.
Bread.
Okay, bread. Can you write it here?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know how to spell bread?
Yeah.
Okay, next one here, Min An. Okay, except of this banana. Okay, I will just cross it. Okay, what else that starts with letter B?
Burger.
Okay, burger. Do you know how to spell burger?
Yes.
Okay.